1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. The breakthrough you didn't see coming. Now it came to pass on the third day, which is Pharaoh's birthday, that he made a feast for all his servants. And he lifted up the head of the chief butler and of the chief baker among his servants. Then he restored the chief butler to his butlership again, and he placed a cup in Pharaoh's hand. But he hanged the chief baker, as Joseph had interpreted to them. Yet the chief butler did not remember Joseph, but forgot him. Genesis chapter 39, verse 20 to 23, King James Version. Joseph's story seems tragic for a majority of its time in the early stages of his life. He was betrayed by family and sold into slavery in Egypt. His Egyptian slave owner, Potiphar, believed the false accusations against Joseph and had him unfairly imprisoned. He languished in prison for years despite being a model inmate in favor with God. Even when owed a favor from another inmate who he helped, he was left forgotten in the prison. This was until God intervened using the greatest authority figure in Egypt at the time, Pharaoh. God gave Joseph the interpretation of Pharaoh's dream, being a famine in the land. God blessed Joseph with not only the interpretation, but the plan to deliver Egypt from its devastating effects in all of the land and surrounding countries. This led to Joseph being put in power over Egypt with authority second only to Pharaoh himself. What inspiration can we take from Joseph? Well, it is easy to see that Joseph's life would not have taken a turn for the better without direct intervention from God while he was in the prison. Neither Joseph nor any man would have thought that God would have used a dream to deliver him from the clutches of a prison. So is God. Remember, his thoughts are not our thoughts and his ways are not our ways. Isaiah chapter 55, verse 8 and verse 9. Thus, even in the darkest moments of our lives and when we are weak, God is aware, watching over us, has not forgotten us, and full of ultimate power. In fact, he just may have a breakthrough on the horizon for you that you would not have imagined in your wildest dreams. You won't even see it coming. Keep the faith and your Christian integrity in the meantime. Let God do the rest. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.